Hi, I'm Marcin Petrowicz. I'm a PhD games researcher, currently turned hedge fund services professional. I'm 35, located in Krakow, Poland. It's 16th October 2024, and I want you to show my final project for CS50SQL course, a brokerage database. It is a small project with which I wanted to simulate a brokerage services database holding clients' accounts with different portfolios, investments, and holdings. The database consists of 4 tables: clients, portfolios, transactions, and holdings. Clients table holds information and details about clients of my brokerage company. Portfolio is a table that groups holdings into portfolios that client can hold. Holdings is the list of all investment assets held currently in the brokerage, and transactions lists all buy and sell transactions that have been booked on all client accounts. Client and holdings are the main data tables, with client ID being referenced in all other tables, while holdings having reference to all other entities. Portfolio is just a small table that just helps group client holdings into smaller groups. And transaction table is giving more details about account changes in time. Given that the database is written in SQLite 3, there are not many data types. Mostly it's integer for primary and foreign keywords and text, with some check functions to emulate the enumerate data type. The database has 4 views, mostly client-centric. For example, client value view, a view which shows total value of all assets per given client by summing the quantity times unit price and joining data from clients and holding tables. Associated with each view, there are 3 indices that optimize search time, like the IDX holdings client, which is an index built on holdings table. Also, there are 3 triggers, each associated with an insert on transaction. First, after a buy trigger, that adds asset to holdings table once a buy transaction is added into transactions table. Second, after a sell trigger, that decreases or removes holdings line after sell transaction is added into transactions table. And third, the before sell trigger, that checks whether there are sufficient holdings to perform a sell transaction and quits insert to transaction table if holdings are insufficient. At the end of the project, while not possible to create with SQLite, there's a section with proposed prepared procedures that would be implemented if the project was done on MySQL. This database is a small-scale simulation of a broker database, specifically focusing on client portfolio side of the business. It was designed for simplicity, which limits complex financial instruments and multi-currency support. Thank you very much for the attention. This was Marcin Petrowicz, and this was my brokerage database CS50SQL final project.